is within the ranges of 15 years to 25 years. Knowing say South Forest Reserve for the open. I will see. Omwani untumi na ne ye adwuma. Omu be testify against amawun to me our court. I know mukano prosecution witness. This same two baako krade reclamation no yeah reclaiming land no. He was leading about 28 people. He was supposed to lead 28 people. I don't say na no so mu ye no mu dua kube. Na that time do no amount of money edi mo mu for sa adwuma no mu kwa sa reclaiming the land reclamation ne kube wo so mu dua. Per hectare. Calculate the amount that was involved as at that time. Any panel di animu na also yes adwuma. Ono na ba be ka che yes say. Ampa the court can the prosecutors can nyina ewom. And let me say thumbs up to Erastus Asaridonko because ono ne kofa akonta mining the eba of multimedia. Omu use drone picking all the videos of Samurai Boy. And the Samurai Boy chrono ebedru babia. And so Samurai Boy for no it was polluted. Sa ponim obomni Samurai Boy nim say yem kom na ye kakra on say sa okonkra se ye wo anan kronkro bi ye wo nwura bi a ye se am ye yonkom e ye say Samurai na bibia abecho. That is not true, but yem peso be come to reserve it yan and that is wisdom. Etino maka bibia be hunahuna tu nim na ya so de na akoso de a fiefo aba be hunahuna. But it was wisdom na no more apply. The wisdom that they were applying is say, ye perceive reserve the forest, no? Emum wani ade adinti yesi po we mu de yenkom. Anu mu ko mu. That time no so no. They were waiting for even parliament approval on this. That time na ya ba be sa cases na ne omu de twetwa omu de rewura sa law na omu de buy na omu de rewura forest reserves are Sabi omakodi se hunu awayen forest ni including achimota. Enti asem na ye ka no enye PPND sisemo. Hwa onim de ma justice ne kan ye. O say sa case we it should serve as deterrent and it should save our you can say environment. Na me hu say all the case will come on by the ones who are but Diane say no, the emotions and everything will come in. Even some CSOs are saying, say, Yara Chama would to me 20 years in the class, and also man the maximum, which is 25. But that is in the you can say that will be determined by the court, which is the judge. Jordan who said 20 years, and they gave him 20 years. They gave him 20 years. So, some of these things, you know, I don't see the politics in it. Now, so minority for press conference now. But I mean, the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy. I make us as a Yantie minority for no. I brought we a press conference. Now you're Justin Frimpong, very hard-working general secretary, astute one, astute lawyer, brilliant gentleman. I am people for also Musa Tuan so. Obi anyhow brilliant, but a Juma also
popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Mpibosiapon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Mpibosiapon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Mpibosiapon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Mpibosiapon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, regional chairman, Mr. Bernard Mpibosiapon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi, Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard.
So look for the long tape. Mo prepare long tape no na yembo ni nyina. Yembo ni nyina eho. Na yenya the full press conference no, so that ye chema enko yese obi or pe bonia e no go to verse without reading from the top and understanding the main thing. You see, me worry kakra ana me wono kra anya chama untumi sentence no. O sanko fo mienu na omuji tum se ampa chama untumi mo mu ko sanwura nim akọ forest no koye no afei omu no beye prosecution a witness ebe gina mu eka ma ban no against or mine no against chama untumi omu no kra they were corporate. Also omu na kom su jail terms ni bi. And I said they should be fined as he was fined. 9 months so and few he can't no more yes case we 9 months. The speed of light the railway as case we. It tells you say Ghana pesi e case be bit medio. Ye pesi e case bia ye bit medi. Et your mom ka say it's not about illegal mining. Illegal mining they say. Yama utumi se ko rubber be mine. It is illegal. So I don't know where people are getting the idea say it's not illegal. Then, so what is it? Minerals for na kasa be kache say. Papa no oma man krate bia. They didn't sanction him. And Nkofoni so mu ye involved they say Chama want to mean they gave them directives and asked them to go there and do the mining. But we also more reclaim land in a crowd. Who rom go didim? Until the judge was even lenient. Because Obian Kobeman the maximum 25. So now you're between 15 and 20. And 25, sorry. And he decided and said, Obama Chama want to me a year only. 20 years. They can go for appeal. That is his right. Bet mako appeal. You bet me I case in you say high court na ye. You bet me so at yes so it is allowed. But I don't want anyone to see this to be a witch hunting. And now people for you say political prosecution. And I'm saying no, it is not true. When it is not true. Because somewhere Jinapo said the alleged mining in the forest, no, it is illegal. That makes it illegal mining. In September 2022, he said that. You can cross check. So me would be amujina or yeah, it is witch hunting, is political prosecution and all that. I don't get it. We have to be truthful to ourselves as a nation. And no one should be above the law. Median chairmaker say, "Yem Dennis say, and they NDC no ye mining illegal mining or careful." Say MDC for mabu bobu din say omuso concession so muye. Your MDC for yabu bomu di okrom ha. It's alleged say omo concession so muye. And then ma agro ye de. Anya de MPP beba debi. MPP ba power. No abechi omuso agum. Nyansa zua be wura ye nyina yetiri. Ene ma game no Ghana ni bia wo so mo anije. Because game na ye there. So your government appointee, o ye NDC ni a na wo dwin 22. Because law sem de eba court sem ye nya mafia. MPP for be kumu. Enti ebe mo bia adwen ada ho. O bokro no a wa adwen da ho. Uye illegal mining na wadwen da ho. So a good thing. A good thing. Enya political prosecution bia. Alape maminra ahumanim na minim kobo. Mene Honorable Alhaji Yunus Afuseni. Or your lawyer, ma private legal practitioner, or your former member of parliament, ma Tamale Central Constituency. Or Nwakasa, I am minister. The lands ordinary annual mandate. Onimopa. Honorable pay march. Now, pom to say, Alhamdulillah, Mr. Moya pa.
Okay, yeah, Yakubu.
Well, yeah, Chama want to me a case akunta mining to be precise na asemi ba ye bosome nkono ni na chidie ekọ na aba enra ana high court de verdict ne eba ye wadaroma menim se wo de said your parking kan na hwe nwoma mu de wanya bi wati bi your general overview on this verdict and the outcome of the court no you being a lawyer, being a minister and a member of parliament ASA
waited very long time for a verdict this nature in our fight against illegal mining. Because what has happened? Wumper is a turning point in the fight against galamsey. Because mining was powerful within the architecture of state. Now for political insurance against prosecution, somebody and the party. So we recall the president's statement in Kofedwa. Exonerated Untumi from prosecution on this same matter. Okay.
Yeah.
It means that the crime does not run against the commission of a crime. Crime does not run against the commission of a crime. Now, by personal, the political insurance expire on the 7th day of December 2024. They have no protection again. They have no insurance. So, and what I've said it elsewhere, the memory of the dead is running to the living. In your politics, I agree with you, in your politics. In there, I did the ASC or Ghana in terms of Akunta mining and whom to me. Actually, say, the will end this. Now, Casa Rabbi was so into what say yes, you. West Side and Sassy, who use chemicals. I'm a nipper and yari because of greed, because of who was too many. Tomorrow, we put insurance expire. You will stand before the law courts and you might go in for a higher sentence. So, what has happened is welcome. As a former minister for lands and natural resources, and Galamsey could say that I'm too satisfied that this is a turning point in our fight against Galamsey.
Honorable, so what of Omomuka said? This is more of settling a political score than fighting anti-Galamsey. Fighting Galamsey, sorry.
How is it settling a political score? Want to make it Amaka, or you want me to repeat? The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources wrote to the company and to the chairman of the company that his company was engaged in illegal mining. That's first evidence. Second evidence, the Minerals Commission were those who wrote, or was the institution that wrote to the minister, actually the minister said, there's a company engaged in illegal mining activities in the Commonwealth of Water. So I can't be political. Number two, me as minister, the first illegal mining was treated as a misdemeanor. Interministerial task force against illegal mining. I started a review of the law to remove the punishment from 2 to 5 years to 5 to 10 years. In 2019, matters came to a head. Akufu Ankasa the amendment ever Parliament say or increasing the sentence from where I put it 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15 years.
Okay.
Ever Parliament. Majority led by Chairman Sabunsu said no, 10 to 15 years no swap. in the young, 15 to 25 years. Remember, the first deputy speaker, Honorable Joseph Osebuso, I said, we should even include shoot to kill. Who can say, oh, yes. Remember, that was during the time we were considering the amendment. And how can this be political witch-hunt? How can this be political witch-hunt? And I know Muka said, because he's a politician, he should not be prosecuted. I'm saying that now the cover is blown. We are politicians now. Now we are in the activity car. Know that I will catch up with you. You are NDC or MPP.
One of the things Omokai is honorable almost say minority is say none the lead council cranny ho. Anomu deliver a judgment in his absence. And you may be cry or the trial no court no a decline. So may refer to constitutional questions. Omu rezi ye enti ya dia say enkenye bibi na shasia ankasa nyoma we nyina. You are a lawyer, the lead counsel absence ye deliver we no and also to say.
You say, oh, you're okay, one or kind statement.
Justin from Poko, your general secretary.
Good, well, lawyer, yes, sir.
And no question.
Uncle Lord Personal. Uncle Lord Personal. About who be in criminal trials where counsel was absent, they had delivered judgment. So he's not being honest. Number two, the first is that the matter raises constitutional issue, and then the judge has proceeded to give evidence and to raise a judgment and action. It's a matter of appeal, or you go to the Supreme Court for judicial review. Whether a judge can go ahead and give a decision when there's a matter of review of interpretation of the Constitution.
Okay.
Go ahead. It's a legal process. It's not a political process. It's a legal process. But you are a lawyer. You know it's a legal process. If you are not doing politics, that's a legal process. If you say that the judge, you wanted a section of the Ministers and Money as amended to be interpreted because the sections are vague, and you pray the court to stay judgment until the Supreme Court gives a specific interpretation on the remit of those petitions. You go to court. You go to the Supreme Court. Okay? And then say that what the judge has done will lead to an embarrassment, because if the Supreme Court comes to a different conclusion, the judgment will be null and void. That's number one. Number two, if you say that they were changing, the lawyers were not there and they were not given opportunity, that's oppression. So that doesn't conduce to fair trial. So you go to a court of appeal and then you are placed out. You don't argue or place out in the court of a political arena. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you do that, you're only criticizing the case. Finally, the one called appealer, and now when your appeal is thrown out, your party and yourself will be embarrassed.
Okay.
I'm speaking directly to Kodia as General Secretary.
Council, now, some of us were worried about, and they say, any pamienu okum and then we see no mukahu. Actually, Crombe prosecution witness said they are lawyer for Mutakani. Almost also your anti-sentence be about them, but they also were part of the said operations of course.
A prosecution witness, still a prosecution witness. That's a bargain. That's a bargain. So when the matter is being tried, when the prosecution is looking to try a matter, and there are many people involved, those who involvement is minimal, but have evidence that can assist in the trial of the case. prosecutor decide that, oh, we won't prosecute you, we will turn you into a prosecution witness so that you give the evidence, because your evidence is material to the conviction that we want.
Mm.
So it's a practice. It's a practice.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, said you na judge no ekano, justice ne can say it should be a deterrent and one Ade Abia a save a protect the environment. Do you see, sir, this case, this particular case, a bit me as that deterrent? Yenina ye per se ye be who say it won't be about the big fish in him, the campaigns of these operations in him.
I have no doubt in my mind. If you want deterrence as a solution to galaxy, you will find it in the judgment of lordship, leadership, Andre Popovite.
Oh, okay.
She was magnanimous. Deterrent enough to should have imposed the maximum sentence.
Which is the 25 years.
25 years. Because this is a political act. He had all the powers within him to stop what he was doing. He knew that what he was doing was wrong. He knew that he could not be prosecuted because his party was in power. So if you watch impunity, you will see it in the conduct and Kibusiaku. If I were judged in that matter, because he behaved, he even was so bold.
Okay.
The gold that from the illegal activities on TV, on Metro TV. I would have given him maximum, the maximum. But it's good that I was judged.
Wow. Wow. Honorable, we are grateful. You're not civil so
And that's it.
Honorable Alhaji Idrisafu Saidi, Nano Bay, what is a Yanino Edim Komo, or no Ankasa a lawyer, Sir, and so Nanoye, former minister for air lands and natural resources, former member of parliament, Ma Tamale Central, and pay what is a or no so Yanino Edi and Komo. Now, let's go back to minority press conference. Na
He has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Ntwibo-Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wuntumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment. Indeed, Chairman Wuntumi is a political prisoner. We address you today with profound disappointment, but also with an unwavering commitment to the rule of law, constitutional democracy, and the pursuit of justice. While we respect the authority of our courts, respect for the judiciary does not require silence in the face of a judgment that is fundamentally flawed. Our Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to disagree with judicial decisions and to seek redress through the appellate process. That is precisely what we intend to do as a political party. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our considered view that Chairman Wuntumi has been convicted in circumstances where there was no evidence at all to support a conviction in respect of the offense for which he has been convicted. It was never disputed that Chairman Wuntumi lawfully acquired his mineral concession. It was never disputed that he lawfully acquired his mineral concession. That fact was established and accepted before the court. The central question was whether that concession had been assigned or transferred in violation of the law. It is our respected view that no evidence was adduced before the court establishing any such assignment or transfer of mineral rights by Chairman Wontumi. The prosecution could not produce any evidence to show that Wontumi had assigned his mineral rights. Instead, the conviction rested on assumptions and inferences which, in our view, could not amount to proof beyond reasonable doubt. That is why we firmly believe that his conviction is a travesty of justice and has to be overturned on appeal. Fellow Ghanaians, equally disturbing is the broader context within which this prosecution has taken place. A troubling pattern is emerging in our country, a pattern where the government appears eager to shield its own while relentlessly pursuing perceived political opponents who have done no wrong. Today, the John Mahama-led NDC government may seek to celebrate this conviction as evidence of its commitment to fight against illegal mining. Where there is evidence of galamsey on a large scale engaged and supervised by leading members of John Mahama's government, we reject that narrative entirely. And I repeat, the New Patriotic Party rejects that narrative entirely. They think that the conviction of Chairman Wontumi will be the trophy to appease the Ghanaian people for their failures. This is no trophy. The Ghanaian people cannot fail to notice that while the political opponents who have done no wrong are being aggressively persecuted, questions remain unanswered regarding individuals associated with his party and government who have themselves been publicly linked to illegal mining activities. Indeed, the president himself has acknowledged that persons in his administration are involved in galamsey. What concrete action has followed those admissions? Who are those members of the president's party that are engaged in galamsey of which the president knows of? What has become of the petition submitted to Economic and Organized Crime Office, IOCO, seeking an investigation into allegations concerning Mr. Joseph Yamin, the NDC national organizer, and Abanga Yakubu, vice chairman of the NDC? We are asking these questions. Mr. President, what has become of those investigations? What has happened to Honorable Mohamed Yakubu, NDC MP for Ahafo South, Ahafo South East, and his DC who was sacked from a chief's palace after they alleged that he was heavily involved in galamsey in their traditional area? What happened to the NDC MP for Aworin, Honorable Oscar Ofori Labi, who was accused by the chiefs and the people of Aworin, as well as Ghana's coalition against galamsey, for engaging in galamsey? Why has the nation not witnessed the same level of urgency and determination in those matters? Justice cannot be selective. And I repeat, justice cannot be selective. The New Patriotic Party has become aware of the judgment delivered today by the High Court, the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Ntwibo-Siakon, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. Indeed, we consider the decision of the court as amounting to political imprisonment.
It clearly, Mami Poso, you could hear what Justin Frimpong Kodria was trying to do. You could see. Now, Afei, see, that is politician. After saying whatever he wanted to say, Then he tried to juxtapose it with Obia Wayebia and also in Pani and this year, Yanka Honshi. So that is where I am now. I'm on your phone where I'm sitting. After saying whatever that he wanted to say, I know refer say, and away, or no dear Dakusi. So it's not about the merit of the case again. It's about the Obi Aya Yanka Honshi. And it should be another subject for discussion. But right now, the end of what pastor there was a yeka. They needed to do this press conference. That's good opposition. No one begrudges them. But let us be truthful to ourselves. And let's take the merit of the case. Na yen ko judgment na nkasem. And I'm person mu cheche magana for nyina atiase. Then we can come all out and support ni akase. Aban the oye airtime enye fe. Aban the oye airtime. Or which hantemu. And I say, because there have been time and I don't say, almost say a branch of Bako or Machino. Ade Akye Dr. Baumia Atem. And I'm saying, and Yaman, because they will also do, and NDC will do anything, say, Baya, an institution, Bay, Bibiam, say, it's not about Mahama. Nemum, Obia Bedi in a Timbian Fanso, MPP, NDC, they will use as a scapegoat. Sad head and young one, equalization. So much say, and found but what Bedidi, Uba abuse system be a becho. But I am happy with that. You know why? Because at the Yansen be beto, Yanya use social media and dream. Yan Casa by heart. Ababa wa nanum, Omuchen, we were all defending her. We were all defending her about Miabo, whatever. We were all defending her. Nanum question kwasi can be a wasa abekeka. And then you have party people to go and support her again. It's high time so bidim kwasi asemwa. The first time say party no kwa support no dim kwasi asem bi ma obi anko onfanye nyansesua. It's getting too much. It's getting too much. Etu NDC ni na di atemu a ye che wo MPP ni na di atema ye che bad branch dey me say it's not news to me. Let us set things right. Yenye nyama se yepe nation ni wo. Enye party bi. To me da me say, sa game we I love this game. Game me me de. And this is for mon champion for ni ngum. Mon chi omungum obi a we this ka bia mon chi ni ngum. Na mo chi no. Mon kai se mon so akonya na mote so no. Mo be firi so. MPP for ba mo so be che mo. Enti afeni enya nation a they say China with this guy you do 200 years 80 years yenya oman a obi anya portfolio obi anya officer nyansa ye adwuma yenya oman a ubenya baby tina you are careful with whatever that you are doing. You just don't do anything said your person or yen because or Jenny say wa ban was so now oh yeah obe say wa ban entimi entena so forever. Ontimi entena so forever. Until yeah now I am very careful. Now I am very careful with whatever you are doing. And it is very, very relevant. Min toko we me de. And the man can me boa and toko we me de. Now mama call OSP so di anim. And ramenya information that me read I was reading na mete ye no. But before that, no, mama quickly, mama remind ourselves. Ghana esiru don't remind Mama share press no, on this said issue. Nana also can same way some years ago on this same issue. Now yentie His Excellency the former President Nando, then yemetie John Dramani Mama. It will tell you say, baby your mind ko ni timi ko ne sa ebeboa. All right, I think I'm not getting the sound. I'll try and get it back. Nah, yet here. You see, there are interesting times. Interesting times ahead. There are interesting times ahead. Ahead. And you know, obi di aba. Na, what you too hopeful. Okay, let me go back and see, sir. We will get a better and clearer sound. Oh.
Natural resources has, through the agency of the Forestry Commission, with the before I take my seat, let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akonta Mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak. Further, before I take my seat, let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akonta Mining is not in. Before I take my seat, let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akonta Mining is not. Before I take my seat, let me respond.
Eddie, you see, yake kan semu ye wie no. Na afei, chama wuntu mi di awie no. Afei ni enya ahoden e di aba. Se, di abeka aban se, so kaya somewhere in July na ye ko ho April mu na hyase a na manfo de ba say ya mean or this organizer enso tu galai bi no mo bubo nkofo bi din ana attorney general edema refer to iyoko so mo investigate ya wana Emmanuel Makofibua also be catch say they have revoked certain licenses bi our Kango Saman and Nkrofo because of illegal activities. And the mobile lease no illegal activity. Send pan what happens to the person. A hona fena yeba abesha mayo teso and it's a mafia and I say a justice for a binum de binum dear yes so muswa. Then we can talk about that one. But for now, no. You share the merit of this case. Now you share the how going forward, we will push the president to investigate and Yoko investigation on by Yebe year to the brim, to the final point about Yamin. Said these allegations now, then what are they doing to him? Minor. Yes, yeah, lines no, ye revoke minister Amakofibua revoke because no more illegal mining. Almost so dear na happen to them. Illegal mining be illegal mining. Illegal mining be illegal mining. Illegal mining be illegal mining. E di hona na ye ba be kun the next stage. But for now dear, aya akunta yen hwa akuntam. Ye wi akuntam a then we go back to Honorable Amakofibua. Say you revoke licenses in Kwana Edia. Hey, illegal. And James and this in India ko illegal. Now by no also ya paper brofubi, ya paper brofubi, as you show na kata brofono so. But now no. Now ne dear. Dear wa person yeka. Until ya mean the no so say no cry any other people you boom dia. Then we go to but yet His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na yembra. And someone also akanfa Akonta Mining. Where me say Ghana head de munim dra. Ghana head de.
Have been drafted and are ready for filing in the case of Republic versus Wontumi and Akonta Mining. The Economic and Organized Crime Office Yoko is finalizing its report with respect to Exim Bank transactions Dockets are in preparation for the buffer stock case and the drip equipment case. Investigations are ongoing into the African Cup of Nations case, the March set case, and approximately 20 other cases currently. Let me be clear, every single case of corruption that needs to be investigated is being looked into. And once evidence is found to ground the prosecution, that will happen and happen swiftly. Looking within, we launched a code of conduct for public officials with an insistence on strict compliance. A high-level working group has been inaugurated to draft a new anti-corruption strategy. National Cathedral, we are awaiting a forensic audit from the Auditor General. Additionally, charges have been drafted and are ready for filing in the case of Republic versus Wontumi and Akuntamaine. The Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, is finalizing its report with respect to Exim Bank transactions. Dockets are in preparation for the buffer stock case and the drip equipment case. Investigations are ongoing into the African Cup of Nations case, the March set case, and approximately 20 other cases currently. Let me be clear, every single case of corruption that needs to be investigated is being looked into. And once evidence is found to ground the prosecution, that will happen and happen swiftly. Looking within, we launched a code of conduct for public officials with an insistence on strict compliance. A high-level working group has been inaugurated to draft a new anti-corruption strategy. National Cathedral, we are awaiting a forensic audit from the Auditor General.
About ora nesa no mu ba no pe ba min ko dwom ma min ko dwaso na anopay 21st clinic clinica osa ya de wanyina na baby omu ye expert sciatica enti anopay se ohun baby na dodo ana bibi na ayo 21st clinic ana me kanfo e dia maw se wo sisi achi twenwa besu nan achia na ekire se o ye nyayade a e friend sciatica e symptom e che say yade kase nam kwan so ba de enye binie entintem na waso ano na ho ato anopay bomodia na benye 15 branches no offer numbers na ba bia ben wo no ye be chew na wakọ doctors ni nurses agu ho a omu hwew anopay enti anopay 21st clinic ewo anopay 21st clinic ewo eye ehwa overseas Sompa FM, Sompa TV, and a washer, and a more from Sa Elso so Anna, Yene Alpha Radio, and a bank. So, 21st clinic for from here, Obuasi, Council Cortes, Obuasi, Council Cortes, a ho, Anna Ubehuyen, Court Junction, wa Sa Elso so Anna Udru Enkaya, a Tantra Hill, and your walk. Samson of Sunyani, O Sunyani Regional Hospital, and A Sunyani Teaching Hospital. First gate, no, Yanin Nedianumshe, and Pebranian Show, and Kransa, Yaben Children's Hospital, and Kransa, Yaben Children's Park, no, Children's Park, on your bank, touch mine. Yani GN Bank, that day anywhere, one yeshe. 0249311311, 0249311311, 0540311311, and a pair bray, na yen show. Ye wo love for wa oba moja muhwehwe no ye behwe ni nyina e de amount na apart from medical team na ho behwe moja mu di amount no sa enso so ana ye wo sonographers a omne twa scan no sorry twa scan ni nyina e de amount na obibia aye smooth ti uba twa scan ni ahwe de da yam de ekoso bibia kama ye physiotherapist so honuma you believe in Fidia, desire any Fidia, you had diagnose yare, any nipa or ye humanity. You had Fidian massajo, you had the Trinity now face you fund your musa, a young word to maintain one to massa. Or in your time, over one say what or din. Our RSYD no VG Studios now make come for Eddie amount. RSYD no VG Studios. As a break, now no pay one show and so ewo. Say movie ana ukwa kucha movie ana wucha eye movie nkwa de a watu adi ye was studio facilities wo a studio facilities ne nkenja Otimi say yes, wardrobe baby papa. You try your photographers, videographers oma ben pa anope omo so ehwe bre your malam be as first kokoko street e won kran oba ye so ye beje Ghana fa na nyina ofre ye beba na ye no aye adwuma 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030397 4822 030397 4822 na onsu nya yen ano pay Tagore Herbal Mixture and the capsules I don't know pay make come for the amount Tagore Herbal Mixture and the capsules na ye wo bema and so mema ye nim ti ye ka mema ye nka ho yes cause the drew baby here mema onka ho mre ye pe mema onka ho wi ye pe mema onka ho o jita Tagore Herbal Mixture and the capsules na bibia be ye din o na mo a message mo king and distract me because oba no ye nyoma kama ana oba eti anopai erectile dysfunction low libido oba oni atinka bembo ni atinka infections yade bia ye kwankro no onya bia ebekopa ediamo infections ahudo 0243228296 0243228296 na anopai oho ento kama ewo ho school wanwa so abama ye nyina ma so mu crèche so mu nursery so mu primary word link academy ye wo Kumasi Paroku estate frenambesi nanim komo obanu se na nso ko school mbese obeko school no ambience ne nye atmosphere ne nye environment ne nye teacher for no popo ni 300 because akura ketua pa se obi o nursery yes na so odin then ye tum tam yesi ube mbeko na da bi obowa sisan school no fa no ko word link academy or Kumasi Paroku estate 020819135 020819135 many Ulysses score or share basis and post we are investing bouncy castles are bouncy castles baby on crab diaglo akura betima ko school 1 week na ta de kra nyefi cause classrooms are come compound are come share basis and so say hey papa invest pa or Philly school no and pay word link academy and I may come from our crèche or bow one for adwuma ko janmo mu asumbe dwo CCTV cameras everywhere na nyame show we in teachers nim any care take givers no primary nursery junior high school from form 1 to form 3 JHS 1 JHS 2 JHS 3 and pay from 020819135 020819135 and 054744241 054744241 na also so enyema enko eyie emawo Roman father nedro Father Martin said ba Mr. Omna akofa aba do say dia mo dem sheriff omna akofa aba na that's be another topic na you ba ko studio kra na yo de if be asa and ever baba ru ko studio over clear where ye de none of the story be in favor I want to say what defend ye 0247919122 0552668517 Roman father nedro ohona AOTTC stroke ohonem tutu YMRE honama yo bete pressure diabetes yare kwa nko nyina ebeko uni mind me catch as a host to show now pana enya de no anikum eti me mpem kwan fun tina me did the best ever me the best ankasa never see obaba akono man fro via no say promotion as I'm now found what have you said property for sale be sell to ejapade to ho ejapade na bebo ejapade ye anopay mesrewa plot mienu ana abrosen to aso baako warehouse kakraka sanso na electricity ho enso ho property a making wo eje so besianse kanea ho nso ho in fact a efe fre 020 96 44 61 1 020 964 4611 020 96 44 611 from na no mu ne ajapade ho a ewo ye pa ewo ye ne bo no so ye kama from na nya ajapade sisi e from sisi e na ho ento ho abedwafo atena se Sheriff anopay machen na umpom ti so panyin o mike na so green there
Ochodi ampomba sayi adomadama bibia boko bibia nso edida na kwam aja kwabre mede nchia kese pa koma kwabre mindful ene kwabre municipal president yewura Joseph Amankwa Nuruddin kwabre rempimu asiedu no ene ne juma pa odi de boa kwabre east miwie nso a mede nchia eni nkabia koma the regional presidential coordinator and staffer honorable Isham Al Hassan beden chia kese ni kabiama papa yi enya papa yi asabre nkabu bi achimare otwedi amponyankopon hira no ewo sidie wakwa ye a wode ye nante kakra owani suade hunu kese bi pa wonani so otwedi amponyankopon moa na sa ni suade hunu ode asi nani so no ne nsa entiminka bedas minya
meso medas ti Sheriff dear copy my say fans no down me ko for nam sim yes so we kakra communication na say oh is ade and dia fa apeke na mani age pa
but sina we dey me refi o me ntimi busa me nua kra de akwa kosi
mesro mpacho mesro
okay last
mesro
I'm ready. These delegates of ours.
Say the other version.
Oh no, who say? Who say last week say?
Sleep dogs lie.
Last week me no share colleague bi brother.
Who say na me boss ko ye program bi wo Akoma. Na the various social media handles na me handle so I had to go.
Yes.
I was planning say kebeshia de ye den ya nka bibi ewo bia no. Let's just hope for the best. Open kase.
Over Clemache.
Ana Nkwantabisa.
Nempom ti say.
Na me gusu hira ye papa. Anopa meda waseni akonya ode amame na Malcolm constituency Oforikum constituency am the Nshakesa member of parliament honorable Michael Akwesi Edu. Amachia party for the party money na ama mekwana me the incha special one pa so the ama the constituency youth organizer Edward Ansa na makoso ahye ne boss I am readily available anytime bia obehia me mo me support bia no me bia map na to in fact no can me mo no kwa me am ready na concern say 2028 no Nkwantabisa yani abre pa enti no se wo bibi a betima ya de aboa party na entwen so biba be fra wansa avail yourself na wa fa contribution de kwantafakle me na kasa me ne do da kasa se mesme mo bia mesme mo bia me beboa no enti me na pe medana se na machia no pe
na last week we buy no menya 3 different course na ba ko de one me di nkomo chelenti ka mo elections ni hun sem bebre o bebre yeah bebre but ba ko de den short ni brief or say in fact o vim no anyone was say they no by were able to talk that way and you were not bitter or say you were not bitter and I'm saying why should he be bitter no so he knows why he's saying that. And he Menkancho say there is hope at the end of the tunnel. So I had a lot of course. In fact, they were impressed. And I'm saying, nah, of a cleanser, I'm on for no pass.
You have grown your head, you know. Matter politics, Sheriff. Yeah. We young people, we should understand. Say, you find emotions and your politics. Time our emotions, we do any more politics be an every year. You have to understand, say, it's an opportunity to serve the people. Of a clear, a dear Maju of Oforikum constituency, no, me didn't time on I mean your police station executive grampo. Na me nyobia, but I served and served well. And I'm doing I think a clear of a clear and your household no constituency no more. And until na as position I occupy. Position I occupy no interest say yeah position I young cause on some party because the party first. They be a Mekasa Sheriff. And when you are joining MPP there, you can understand is that it's not about individual, it's not about position, it's about just the love for the party. And you know, may I make them so for you come from so who is now my customer may call thank you to him, I call 2 electoral areas, but I could be a master boss. Yeah. My call 2 electoral, my call also electoral area, my call bomb so electoral area, and I'm here my Sunday, make sure I could bear 4 other electoral areas. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to put here, my banners now, and I'm going to be Sarah Mayer, Mark 31 youth wing banners. Yeah. I'm going to for the maintaining and for more than Uncle Mom during the heat of the campaign. Nana make a thank you to him and Sadeko. Marco forms, oh, and to be a cocoa that a while when no one's still oh, they told me. Namse Banano, it is for the youth wing, and the youth wing will be a day, a woman. And see, Master Amanyafo, Titu Pani with the young people say, we should not use emotions to do politics. Yes, if it's mafia, maybe you have heard something, mafia, and I say, but what is important, and they say, me in Tranton, I'm going to be the first 7 minutes there, it hits me very hard. The football results, first 7 minutes in there, it hits me because. So how I lost narrowly, and when you see that all the odds were against me, but how I made me maneuver and I made a lose by just 91 votes. Now it was a bit painful for the first 7 minutes, but I gathered a certain vim within the 8 minutes. I put myself together and I was like, I mean, what? The NSC party no hunting. And I went around and greeted everybody. If you want to be there for you, was it? Was it? Now it wasn't okay, but the way I would see smiley and they have to. So it was painful, but we move.
Or enjoying so one two, but I think so. Or enjoy say, Sheriff me busa better what you see. One two, but be carry. Me bacho. I tell you, busa so amoka.
Maka ni see awie no. Na kwete wa ma me kwana makọ Kwabre East. Na anopay. Me de appeal kesiye pa. Adesre kesiye at the free of Akile hodi ama NDC Kwabre East branch executives. Any delegate or motor constituency election now say as young people who talent will be more, we should be able to identify the talent and work on it. Mestre Mimi Sharif on a matin a year while your constituency communication officer for the past 4 years. Mestre Samon show some pa was some more assetna pa one matna our Kwabre is. Na more eduma pa war yadiama NDC party no. Na Mestre Mosenya may have not some more battles in the constituency elections are. Mon fancy the subio. San say in fear and 9 years, menina year juma, all those say we are from different political parties no. In the human relationship top notch. In the communication good san say yeah, but say farm on yourself who he's able to defend his party. Patriotic is also able to say it and say it to work. Namasra mo say mo party no mo beko opposition 2028 there. Now so Sheriff Juma dia odi di mamo no mesra mo say mo nhye na limonyamo na constituency elections no mesra Kwabre is for say one good term deserves another. And it's a message Sheriff eba manimu a mo nhye osompa wasomo mo nhye adwumade ogusu ye na mo nhye asetena pa ne matena na mo nhye na onto abanfa as the constituency communication officer for the NDC na onfa monko opposition to say
that's it. But Sheriff there they know everybody knows that I admire him. Very hardworking, disciplined, hardworking. And if the constituency really want to move on, not because it's a panel here, but there are certain individuals. My last coin, better so I say it as it is. Sheriff is one of the guys. Sometimes I have differences with him. And maybe but you see, at the end of the day, and you won't mean for go, like you will bring him, you will need him because very brilliant. People ask where is he? Of our Clemoni, some of you guys, mama, people ask, so who will grow be a musa? So no him. What he has said, can say. So any person say Sharif dear. No question pan say. Omo muko nyina me pobiasem. Me pobiasem in tell you, but the right person for the right job at the right time. Season ya you no. To me, I'm not supposed to be doing this. But me nipa I was a kind of cray. I think say it will help. Now no me komu area oko didi nkomo. And people have seen what he's doing. Tim sramu. Mon for see enyo yo. Na moimwa na enyefe. Mamu of clear no omo jeje nanima eduru ba bi na omo se enkofo bi di ade bi fa akire na omo se sa ana jigu ye enti eduru ba bi na omo se of clear ade anim be ede me catch Barbara se of clear information am picking on grounds no kofo bukata bi ikoso embe ede am me catch Barbara me catch Barbara say so for clear me we ni ebe miracle be menya no anti yes obi onim ya say ye be survey o constituency game fail leader wow obi ameka so be win bi obewini wow ensisanda wow ensisanda to be aware people persecute you, people call you names at the end of the day they come and apologize.
Yeah, that's true.
Say they okay,
yes, yes. And to me contest koso na ba me show na me miska menje because as I cry na me ntimi nye ade ye fine. Yes. Say me ade fine to me catch yourself be lose so advise yourself and na ye adwuma foforo go make us be lose abeluse. Yeah. A post in ya na 100% e bi we fail.
Yes.
But me won so we diligently na offer sample ni ye dose kakra utimi nya the right thing.
It will be near perfection or near accuracy.
Near accuracy. Post bi anu a ubenya no pepe da. But e bi on ma wa utimi say we die e betom na tom. To me MPs be ni issues but now no ko mu fa futu na
ga ekoye ma o
ekoye na dia boa me no say omu bi o ho me ko sra omu e ka che me ko mu amska manye e no mu say I'm the right person but now so mu sua nyansa nanka recommendation omu de ye adwuma but I maso yakofa nkufo bi finka be so vi na msi yo yate
and you ever for political consultancy.
Yeah,
for political consultancy.
The boss says they know a good or they do baby that to papa so they okay. What did you obey mu ba?
I tell you feli.
Asa me yahu di pakro. They say di pakro wa kadem.
Okay,
I will be able to.
We will be ready.
The background say wakadem. Yes,
I said we have so far I am mala na here in our predator ball.
Yes.
Master, when you be guase. And he was how to deal with it.
Yeah.
Because ultimately nyina but also nya higher percentage. And tina global for do baby am see they are doing well.
Yeah.
Yes, do baby they are doing well. Do baby so you have your own
issues.
Sometimes so more call rounds no reps no. Reps no. Field guys no. And to the out to one more sample in the camera. But when you field guys so more truthful, then you start getting issues. Okay. And to me, my boss when say do baby so I'm happy too.
Okay.
Me say report banner no adane no ana
there be more information. One mobile information here backgrounds no. E be a minimum of a claim about my boss be me you. Into ya unze boss dey agini o eni munyina munye
okay
onso so sebi wagimina yeti bonko so abegiska no
okay
na afi won se ade no call no sheriff na awen but no atro ko se oh yeah ne percentage ni isi enti ono no be ye ne calculation ye ne final you know na o goofu because information e wo form no was in and yeah dangerous
garbage in garbage
out
off you there you will
and of akla won kwantimi nko the whole ground
no
you need reps on the grounds and you ma once in a while no akofem baako but you need reps a mo hu de eko enti na to bia ye say adane aba from graph na
okay
you need all
I say Baba Jamal election this or you say lady ni be win later on say Baba say adane dane
grounds no me say nyoma timi sesa o yembe
and I let day by day who the dynamics is people have next bahasa
obi betimi abeka asem ba akopɛ na asesa me say MP for election ye ko na a favor Jombo Adupa Sherifu ni je kodru ho na bibi 102 na fe omu ye say no all of a sudden I say
phobia
and I'm kind of boss kai way very ne ampanzo just like that now I'm say just a word from you
oh yes that's one
there is minimum bia or region be me can't so for clear smart to be or koka say half what day e medium on beto amame or constituency no say half what day omu ye tribe for to beto e ho na nkofo no ye ho yi to koduru na omu mafia
me kura me ho be be free
it's about okasa very important okasa sheriff very
oh no seriously
very important
seriously
don't
take things for granted
election
yeah, you take because our last 1 week
you have to be very careful.
Our last 1 week can be a very volatile
and I'm a complacency realm
asema obatu ani na ensuko adane wa chenche
because if ane be onso akoye Soviet unso lose
oh yes
into investment ni ade a wako boa ne ho ba ene jandama wako ye a ode ba
asemo
polluted grounds
elections
no fiati
Sheriff, we wish you well. Evans, our next contest where you meet.
Evans, they call deputy Anna.
Oba made communication.
But I've told Evans on this very show, many be share Hannah say other stuff to me catch it drum say Sheriff will hold there a bad day say my many ko share with careful. And I told him in his face say we meet now so you might we pa there. Sheriff will hold there. So
Evans is a very hard working but now make us a time and season. So
yes.
Sometimes the time and season. I love both of them. Let me be honest. But sometimes also call grounds now who you know how to handle things. All right, and pay me post.
Lot of forecasters.
Fear delegates. All right, yanko elkomonim anopay, and there more on chairman to me. Akunta mining. 9 months and some weeks. Asemna kwaba. Enra High Court said this is the decision. 20 years with hard labor, 120,000. Where a Samra boy no, your omu case a Koko hiringly, 2 cases, tika 2020, but in the court system no, obe servono at the time. No minimum of 15, maximum of 25, and the court went for 20. Yemra the court decision. Yaba the aftermath of it, the minority press conference on it, what some lawyers are saying, what some CSOs are saying. Chairman wound to me of Akunta Mining. Sheriff Kwame Nkwantabisa.
Machia wati for na Machia one of our incoming aspirants ni bi Wakwabri is a friend Shaibu osi wo hwedwumadi pa na Nkwantabisa verdict here by I can say categorically clear say eno na a lawyer and the appear could be who ya udwane because enwa menya botere almost about 49 pages of a judgment there by 59 rather ehwemu enya butre kenkan kwaku Kwame Azamo, all of these different think tanks ewo wo write ups ahodu a wo yefa ho no. I am telling you on authority say even with an appeal won't me will suffer. Because when you are looking at the substance of the case and the kwanya e fa so a baby a verdict free about the it was obvious from the onset say would me will have himself in trouble. Why do I say so? Yen ni journalist no agent one treha when it comes to this particular Galamsey fight. Erastus Asaridonko. I started here with this particular video on this Samra Boy issue. And Sana MPP Ankasa Minister in charge of lands and natural resources. Prof. From Bob Boate, Ede on so the expose and I say fan report Ede Bab Montebeka say bo Galamsey ekoswa adire bu kam so a wo makwa enye yie no. Party mpanyinfo a wo MPP abanya atwamu ni mu no wo mo ankasa na age won treha that particular Galamsey no ama no ma ye dedia mo no as a minister wontimi stop Galamsey. Eti eba beduru baby yase papa no oh he is a cake I say one manfo bi wo personal issues bi enti na ama papa ne de sansem we gina eba bonten adenti na wase papa ne yesa because the party wa abem ade opese o maline ne government na enti nsem ne be ye bebre ama fe beduru baby na dodo na hwe ne say papa ne nsem na wo kan sabiota frache ye wurodo rada sema wo de giye fapim bia enyeyi. Soma the former president of the republic Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo to nanum to kwaka say want to be nye Galamsey wo baby bia enti afei no ensem ni nyina ate kodai anche ne yakoto abana fofi anto ata MPP fo free abem MPP for free Abraham Sabra near Nama ye come Montreso ye campaign no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at the one particular monumentous ideology be by which is Operation Recover or Loot, which is the oral. Now the oral committee was a well-composed committee. Honorable Okujeto Blackwell, the lives of Martin Pevumo, Wamoko Ka Wamutri Bomu Kodoso Nkra Tenimu who is a debi. And send me one of my professor from Bob Watten Troya. Nancy be take chiras ye jinaswa. You met me the pimp be near use will be as a scapegoat in this particular Galamsey menace. And Penny Empire in some could do as in Dibia. Back and forth ne buyer a corner bar ni a court appeals court say a quack or pese ya kwa ni a bar to agu lia bar ni a beyese and kakranka eventually and at the dust ne settle ye. But in Nkwantabisa asema me sure was hard we say in every particular situation or what or so ever and the you whip what you sow. In a jachication case no. Sana no mu yes say identity de bia jachication was so backward wo say there be a judge ni no and ahyehyɛ mra say was said on daily basis no wo di case ne say beya wo betimi di case na bi. But ene dane ye Akoko di would to me my friend and they would to me case in here trying on daily basis yes there be and this if one person which would to me too and this if one person which jelly would to me but so what study the turn of events and then the kind of judgment a buyer and you want to me the jelly would to me. I am telling you, want to me the jelly want to me in all because and you want to me do me dear one word dear ye busa no wasem asem dibia one kasa no lawyer for and no one no mu krant me yano want to me asem a wo kan nyina say what the sa concession ne ma papa your friend Henry Okum say one konko ye reacclamation assuming without admitting Abra who want to me as a concession owner knows perfectly clear say before you can do so, I just will call to the minister in charge of that particular sector no amount an approval, a written approval. Before so bet me decide you man what me a day Eddie. Want to me say the party na what power to one just approval no. And what done assassinated the man Harry Okum. Harry Okum a day assassin. want to mean some our cancer and power the assassin ma yewura recoup say one reacclamation was assassin so and nada there be omatututu no one no make kata assassin so we kube was so and a call to busa want to me say sorry acclamation now what can say yewura heri okubu enya no one man the sika botini a wodi bedi say adwuma na what je so say there be Nkwantabisa was it there be one man is say some particular reacclamation no one just says kabotini we no fanya reacclamation no enti ano na court to busa herikum say na wo yama uska say je na fa koye reacclamation no sika bei ana wo de koye reacclamation no kire say there be one yewura want to me di nkomo ma yewura want to me man the consent say portions of the forest no won konko to form agudie ni bi wo ho na wo de wo sika na ye de ben aye reacclamation no sa se bi ya make yi aye yewura atachia aye yewura aye Andy lawyer wo mudina antimi ansimu adabra kan kase de ye kan enya sa na ye den etie na se ade ba mienu ne establish sese want to be at the concession amobi without ministerial approval eye bone de atoso mienu wadema nipa ne wiye no enipa no di se hunu sebe awo forest ni mu sai asase no eno so no wakire se woni wuntumi di nkoma ma wuntumi wu se sika wase bi di se adwuma na wanfa ma me no dwumadie bi sei na betimi adie na betimi die aye se adwumadie no eno so wuntumi je won pe the meaning se wuntumi anim se papa no ade abanya asase a wode ama wuntumi no wo bia kwa asase no so se asase no abra wuntumi anya den anka ho hwe eno so etiamra enti in a nutshell wohwe dwumadi awodu a ekoso wohwe mrashade awodu a ekoso ene mra awodu a yewura wontumi ato mra etere pefe se yepo bia wodi ne wodam wono ankasa pie ne ho akoto asemu a woyi yewura wontumi firi ho no ma obi biara ni ho because obi bekase nano me anwa me hwe eye press statement bi a minority no read by yewura JFK and I was shocked. Yewura JFK say this particular issue here kosu a political persecution. What is political persecution on this? The prima facie na ye gina so ko establish our the law court no was something put together by your own party member, not anybody who a former presidential aspirant, a minister in charge of a particular sector. Not none other but Professor Frimpong Boating. One known that this sansam the Babontina, ye ba yano, ye begina sansam no so dia sam now ya day, aquasim dibia. It's political persecution no any dear. Yewura attach your back case in of filing said there be a friend wabba case in her. Court on them man the break a crown on a lawyer for more on the firm minimum court nasi. No moon doso in seminal. No moon baby a yewura and a D case in the drew here. Sabi your musube who baby on better was free. But what your court grantee and I want grantee or grantee. And Mamusuko yen doso ni ye bibia ye. Now for ye now lawyer ni brania mua samna lawyer ni nesikola or carbon on it or quack or hen. And one of them judge and they catch it almost a Debbie. At least or more bar a firm of lawyers in Eba. It was a lawyer Niba who did them. Now you're shiny a castle. And application you Samuel attach and the call yes oh when you want to care more some nantuana or bar ya babe buasam no and a judge no about to go say a neddy or then a judgment ebeba. Well read judgment in a fine. Now when you say now 25 years there.
Some maximum.
Yes.
And minimum is 50.
Until your man 25. Now you see a more sentence new year. You are a lawyer for more honor. They can stand up and speak to the judge to appeal to the judge's conscience. Say, be our better tamper justice with mercy. Me, my boss, I like the guy so much. Palvrid. Yes, Palvrid, you know, until kasa. Eti lawyer ni ano gina wa wono so coincidentally a friend Bernard and also gina ye e kasa ma pa be say want to be your bia wo ye ankrankra adwuma wo one man for bebre o mo ye adwuma e wo na adwuma ku ahodo e wo Ghana memu ha eti sia de ne ko afiase for that long a year sa e bia ne adwuma di ahodo na wa bia no e bebo asesa eti e be ya the judge no should temper justice with mercy and son a judge no so from the maximum sentence no aba to a year 20 years eti the American say wamo se NDC fo na echechi MPP fo agum eti Samra boy aye wa wonu say Ghana Premier League team bi wo ho aye Samatex wonu say Samatex for the wontumi court eti ano so aye NDC fo na de wontumi court ana. The issue is an established fact.
All right.
Now we are so tobu kam sui. And so yiri Samra boy kroni na. And this particular illicit activities of illegal galamsey no and this the NDC made a solemn promise. Say ya ba idea ye destruction aye galamsey. It doesn't matter your name, your color, your caliber. Say mrani diwa.
So of a clear one the charges and permitting a third party no ebe mining on a concession without approval facilitating unlicensed mining operations. Samra boy there is a 2 and a buyer and then reclamation of the land and also between Awisi and then Okum. Ache umbe prosecuting witnesses. Emma the prosecutor.
But it is a medicine now. And of course, I'm say, Chama won't me issue no. Courts bad time ebua a high court. Na the kind of say na lawyer for STD ruling no. They are going to appeal, but they must first study the judgment, no matter how they are going to appeal into a developing story. Now, facts be a woman. I was here can say first of all, court no moi chema won't me for say or ye galamsey. Utre charges no on the face of the charges no dia. We kind of say wa makwan wa assigning the legally acquired concession the ama a third party wa mbo minister manier and the requirements of the minister manier and no and na chema wuntimi a defense ni say manfa manoma assigning so fan ko tugalam say assigning man say onye reclamation and the law no so cast the assign the man so fan reclamation there and there does not require the minister's consent. The man who assign man so fan ko mining now and that's what happened. Now me in all this I will not go into the legalities. I'm not a lawyer, I will not pretend to be one this morning. But Masamba Kwa make can say me share social media and the communication space after say issue by I've seen a lot of NDC people jubilating. Now my foot to only say now no motivator or my can say when you see men fall, don't laugh, learn from their weakness, because the things that tempt them to fall, you and I, yes, I who are we are not immune to the temptations that let men fall. And so when you see men fall, don't laugh, learn. And then galamsi asamwa yede chama wuntimi akotumu a na satam yese on e galamsi kempina na Ghana galamsi nyina yeso ne ne kese 18 months ni a NDC eba power. First incident is see galamsi wu yo oboase ye kaisa ye wa Joseph Yamini Kwakubu ahin mo ko galamsi site during campaign ko share galamsi e boso mo de mo ba within first 8 days. In and they went to say even gold first a year Anglo gold a year legally acquired. No figure and say the legally acquired nipa mako and what you say pamo the MPP from site. when you go to the Galamsey site here, NDC branch executive na aje wa boso. Na ye ni mu krampo no. Ni ye hunu a video evidence. And say na no ye ahafo no southeast. Say southwest o. Omo DC and omo MP ahemfo epamo wo mo san say so omo ye Galamsey. And this is not coming from Erasmus, where they are coming from the community people. Here na yeti Kromanum say a western region a petition by traditional authorities kokoma mampeni say NDC national organizer Yewa Joseph Yami and your third vice national chairman Eye Abanga, they are involved in Galamsey. Mampeni saka petition no, he referred the petition to Attorney General. As my making 8 months near, and now we are bare 4 days ago. Niati say after 8 months, no Attorney General I refer the issue to Yoko. In fact, somebody can refer the issue to Yoko. Tama mampedi ma age no. Nemua Anna Joseph Yami Echo Grantee interview or Kasapa Radio. Emma Yoko boss warning such warrior bear ma. One invite to a just invitation, and pampas. I want in the call, you know. The Yoko boss was not even able to invite him. Now, me can't wait in Arab could say Galamsey of Kono, a gusua 18 months near a gusu cost the ding to the extent, sir, and none ye who were Manso Enclave was an NDC constituency chairman. Was preventing, in fact, he actually prevented Operation 9 was from entering into the community, say, or no, NDC constituency chairman. So therefore, Eba Pata, and that's what Babe Galamsey, no, or man born no NDC chairman, Amanie, say, or more ban in Peswaso. So he prevented them a Wokrutia. Now, Mediway na can't some Mamakosi say. Chairman to me will be in prison today. Now so Galamsey no gusua air course wo memu. Ama bear last week ya minister na nsa baba tuna no mutuo say okuna ayeden. Now what I suggest last week ya the last minister Yewura Amakofu Abeka say okuna ayeden. Die nti no okuna ayeden. Joseph Yami ne kwakubu ahense Yent na ho mammo amotenka Attorney General. Tama ni nam the trenches, nam amnamu Galamsey site ani ya petu mi no. Na mo motenkran. Mo de mo sa mba Galamsey site obio. Me as national organizer 2028 I will still be going to do Galamsey site. Me na me caution omobo. Etimi de mammo mo kwa mo aye na mo de mo ntra mo nkran ho. Na we go to the trenches. We go to amnanumu. Enti Chamaun to me is in prison, but Galamsey is ongoing. Na yasrese lance minister any aben omonhwe na Galamsey no omonkofo omo ye ni sisi no omompe asedi nkanche omonne na media minim se edane se boa power will change hands. The NDC people know, including Haruna Idris na no ko be hente ye say near they ya your opponent for ye nimusa power and hoda and we are going beyond our bounds. And into media futu and amade Emma say when you see men fall, don't laugh, learn. Okay. Because learn from their weakness, because it is their weakness, no, and I yes so that be and also be nyasem.
Medase, my member Sharif, Yambra minority MPP press conference, no. Accusation of some of Monko Fodo, Almoso Muye Galamsey. They believe this is a travesty of justice. They believe say will be an council, a lead council to coin in its absence. Muye delivery, court in delivery. They believe that this is well calculated to politically prosecute them instead of say more fighting against Galamsey.
Many are Messada Wasipu. Debiana Mekase. I am the last person I'm a politics of equalization. I am the last person. We shouldn't act as if say MPP ma power ta. And someone na minu ane kekano, I was shocked to the bone. Because you were kromu anom na ke jamfu a former women's organizer of the MPP, National Women's Organizer. Ebe suko bon de nire say yashene excavators. Minu want to be. Yasansu wo kromu hayi. Professor Frimpong Boatin betu na numu to say the Central Regional Chairman aye ekowa wusi. Wamu to Galamsey left right center. A debe in a domino ekafa. But in this particular issue, Nkwantabisa, I have funded that particular petition by pertaining Yewura Joseph Yamin and Mustafa Gbandeno. And the main His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Yeye. Will refer one directly to the Attorney General and subsequently Attorney General so the command Iyoko. And now Wamatana say Yeshua we the San Semnina Bamonte say nansem netie. So why should we sit there now say everything we do beyond your person the so escort political points? Tesa for no South East asema okay. Amaru Shakwa wonu ankasa kwa ye the video say MP ni DC ni ya Galamsey no Nkwantabisa. Sa wonu Amaru Shakwa na sa babonte ababeto na num tuo say ebo me na ensema wo babonte beke kaya no eye kontompo ne damra basenti Ghana for fan channel MP no fan channel MC no fan channel. Eti anu so so bu say wo wie ye wo sa to aso akosa abeswa forest no kokko ye video a aye minerals development fund for the omo somebody abesi wo say wo mo ye reacclamation what that particular portions of the land no so. So why then should we rope in the least amount of opportunity they want to use it to score political points? Where lies the point of political persecution? When one no Yewura as I want to be the one ankasa ne party ni na tro ne beto ho say dwumadie say na me ankasa me party for aye with impunity enti abeya was say one na ban yo that time na MPP aban da was so one na ban no hwe no muto ho anamo. So the question we ask ourselves is say senka MPP forward the power they have the zeal to prosecute their owner and enti no man prosecuting but you will krom ha Yewura nanado danko akufo ado ba ye ba wo horo wuntumi wo se wuntumi nya body bia na ye den na senior wuntumi nko a single human being and wuntumi nko na waska chen MPP fo nyina wuntumi nko na wani monyam chen MPP fo nyina tano Numrem forest wuntumi di wom ye ka aye what's the name Samra boy forest nso a wuntumi di wom etu ono nko na sabi wo didi ye. Let's speak truth to power. Yawa Kroma Yewura Kennedy Japan Beka say the National MPP Party headquarters no aya Galamsey headquarters. Ni nyina edi Kroma ha. Empanyimfo so na bu omo becha say bobo cheche free so ase beka cho so denchime wo a. Menua ogi na chiri ye ana. So it is high time to say your kan ye no. Sadia we ya ekoso ni ye fotuo ma each and every office holder. Say at the end of the day, at the end of your tenure, there would be accountability.
Okay.
And you should prepare your mindset. You should prepare your docket, everything, your books, every particular penny you spend in that particular office. You have to make sure that it is well accounted for. And also, MDC, yes, papa. And no tina minya. In our 18 years to 18 months in power, not even a single scandal. Not even a single scandal under this particular government. So what it therefore goes forward to prove, they say, the NDC as a party, has identified the problem, has identified the menace, and what Kromuhanuma, yes, just see a bit to one among. There are so many measures I had about Monte. Tessa responsive cooperative mining. No, say you crop miners no near Chiromo, Papa was so more fossil mining. Currently, I may know say. Yeah, the new minister will reclaim 10,000 hectares of land. And you know, it's a point in the right direction. But the woman say, Senior, the woman say, Galamsey man is here, yeah, can was me. MPP for Babemu in the frame of 8 years. Woman to me, see no coin. Galamsey and Komoni and Komobia, it has to be collective. Sabaya yen you bet me to
thank you. Offer clear.
Galamsey Okono enye collective. Abanya otiso asebie because
I like the
Okano.
I like the Okano.
Edit to me na ashelinsa. Me offer clear be make better kasa me ko hu ntintini atwen. Me ni soldier for to me. Me ni last minister to me. And then to say that there are some George can say Omampani has all the powers to use just 2 weeks to stop Galamsey. No, I want to re-echo some George Nansa statement. Say Omampani do Mahama Ghana soldier for in action in sa Ghana police for in action in sa or no appointed I have no South East DC action in sa no or no I will 2 means say within 2 weeks obey my then I took Galamsey I say and now baby another Galamsey nanka ye who be da nanka hokwa de ke no go area bosom twe ho nanu ye be poso ya ko hu se e kwan po mo fast kwa fru ko mo kokko tu Galamsey kwa ya di ho ya ntiase and it is going on and now yensu a ni ye kan wase ni na no enso no gusu a ese ye minister na sa odad na no be kan ne nansa se okuna ye din. It's not coming from opposition party. Minister 18 months into government say Galamsey Okono ayedin for a minister who has the power to come and lament. Okay, I say easier and simple. Your own party people, your own constituency chairman, your own constituency chairman, your own branch executive for say, in fact, including the 140 MPs or ministerial position, say. Muamanya ministerial position, we have 40, more to one and more kind of there. Yeah, how do we take off our constituency? And indeed, they have gone to cite our more and I never catch some of that Serif working. Serif way, there I have one. Me say, Serif, let me repeat myself. Me say, the NDC constituency executives, the NDC branch executives, the NDC MPs, they are involved in Galamsey. I am making this strong enforcement.
Evidence now.
The evidence is clear.
Evidence
The evidence is that
you can make a statement.
the evidence.
Evidence, but say not even some. So many Galamsey. How?
The evidence is clear. The evidence is clear. Nana Kwame, the evidence is one. Now when you pa 8, omukohwe omunkwa ewo obuasino no munya MPP4 NDC branch executives. The second evidence
I don't say 20 executives na Galamsey.
The second evidence is that nanu yai the DC your wa for no South East. Yes, busu de week bi akoko 10,000. Na me kwanya hari sakora kapere. Enya amari sakora kama meti yo. Na me ni brother da was amari sakora asem. Me kwa I know that asem na wo pen.
Enti ya meba. Sheriff.
For no South East Galamsey course no. Enya na asem o. And I am telling you sir. Sheriff, I am not taking my source from Amari Sakor.
Just say MP4 nyina Galamsey.
Me say I am not taking my information from Amari Sakor. I am taking my information from the ground. Say every week every week bia. Every week bia. The NDC MP in Hafadu South is going to take 10,000 from Amina.
This is allegations. Unfounded.
I am not taking information from Amari Sakor. Sharif way. Me say before Amari Sakor made the claim.
You know him. You investigate Matthias know him. That's right. Okay. Medase. Thank you. Obviously, tell Ofakle that he shouldn't commit himself because he might be explaining it not only on Sompa, but probably in front of the justices. I love him. Tell him I beg. He's a nice guy. I don't want him to get into hot waters. Nidin me mon fude batoyoba. Ana madam for doctor be or a lecture. Or say tell Sheriff it's not collective. When they are taking their salary, it's not collective. They should abide with their responsibility.
The point that I made
Yo, that's it. Fact calls 0548931931 0554931931. Hello, good morning. Yes, my boss. Now, Pombo.
Na make sure no be the first answer. Na chama okufu oya ya chama de na bujara ba no be ma menjano. But ya tanto yo ga sa ne ba. Ozo no be ma. Na ma chaka meki. Na si FM ga chama menjano. Ma bo so ya. Ni ma tsaje. Fa ne boy man. Tsaje su the friend say and quiet. About to be as now, like at not of what you matter and another human. Yes, that's what they are. I said, well, you're number of us down. And so I said, oh, yeah, also open up the sobrano. Yes, now so like a party. But two for Yanko Pass again. Come on, you could be watching Yanko Power. Machima kwa huma na sese so adejana me do baba pa gisa ajima sa mamentia no na mentia Professor Joshua NDC Bruni amentia papa and afi regional chairman still maintain chairman mamentia no na kwasi ye ko yenim no ye besere ni aka se amanyo se ma ye no esime bi na sese bi ubinya akwanya na odi niema atutu ye according to your Bible kure kitiye no Yesu Kristo oban se nipa nyina bedi ye aje wo bia obe mane wo mane dia aha na ze duane man no wo ate wo ho etomre bia eni obi wo ho a se bia buru se bia son wo benya tumi a eni kwan se wo ye woni ma kokko so wo krom ha anda aban dada no apenso ni ma twitwa mu bi enu mu ana dikino fori atakwa akwa ka bana ne oso ma enti no kwasem ni judgment ni ye adwuma na nam na kwan so a se bia buru se bia son yenyina foro ne ma o man no enti twiriye no emfa ne ntama pemfra efisi enim se from ha amanfo nyina sabi yeni ehunu bi yaso TV eniema ekọ so fa sa papa yi ho sabi eburu sabi so judgment na ba enam na so a yenyina yenhwe
better say thank you very much Barbara yen sorry so na message be make sure your time also.
So message and they say the statement that I made. Yes, I am repeating myself. Me saying.
Me man repeat it. It's alleged
that the NDC Ahafua North South East and the NDC constituency executive are involved in Galamsey.
Okay.
And there is evidence.
It's allegation. Thank you. I don't know me first awareness na yeko. Master, I will go so fun to swear because you work here the time also. Happy birthday to Ada Padmore Safo Edu at Abundant Grace SDA Church at Tonsu, Kuwait from Detective Inspector Christiana Frimpong as a quad divisional Dofsio. So Elder Auntie Christiana, so my happy birthday. Na Osenya Minsha Emau, Osenya Mimo Brohu Mau. Happy birthday to you. A very happy birthday to Ketura, Ketura, Opong Yabua, Uko School, Dumasa, Savior Academy, Santase, Brofi Yedu. From your dad, Upon Francis, and your mom, Joyce Kunedu. Mommy and daddy loves you so much. Na Ketura, oh mama say, I hope so did me well, Ketura or Ketura. He said, now, a chair name the ye, a child, yeah, don't baby. Happy birthday to you. A saying, I say, oh man, I don't know, and no small. You are so beautiful. Yamemu and you are dinner, emrem, never a penny cassia. I think so. Happy birthday goes to Gifty Akusia Santi aka Obapa at the University of Professional Studies Accra, UPSA. It's my prayer that God Almighty answer all your prayers and bless you in Jesus' name from Brother Ricky Tadi. So beautiful and happy birthday, Gifty. You are a gift to your family and the entire nation. Happy glorious birthday to you. Enjoy your day. And then happy birthday to our sweet mother, Mrs. Martha Boadu Boateng, aka Efia Frema Denta. You are 76 years old today. Mommy, 76, now still looking young. From all your children, nakab, clothing, and all your grandchildren. Happy birthday. Wabusia 40 now, mano nana say. Oh, when you want come by day, and upon when na. Nyamima on quite tentene apum ding, ya dodo dunti. Happy birthday, Auntie Martha. And happy birthday to Josephine Ade of Josvi Clothing Safo from Sir Abodie. So today is your birthday, Josephine. Happy birthday. Today, may God grant all your heart desire. Happy birthday, beautiful one. Enjoy this wonderful, amazing time, knowing you are special. On that note, Yemfensi, happy birthday to Jalilu Seidu, inside Asante Achema Agogo North, working at Agogo Cooperative Credit Union. From your sister Efienshira, working at RFM Kumasi, from Yenuya Ba Efienshira. Also, I'm a happy birthday. Australia me Adom Ninimobro Humau. Also, you're special, and today enjoy your beautiful and wonderful day. Happy blessed birthday to Sylvester, rich confidence at Asokore Mampong. As it be another year, another reminder of God's grace through every challenge, every lesson and blessing. He has been faithful. May this year bring peace, purpose, joy, and dreams fulfilled. Happy birthday, Sylvester. Enjoy this day knowing that you are special. And the last one, happy birthday to Immigration Officer Amenyampong Jumo from Ofakle say Nyami Show. Na bless o ne kesi kopim so be kesi. Sir, you are special. Keep working hard. Keep serving Mother Ghana. Happy birthday to you. On that note, dear Kwame Nkwantabisa, Mbapa, any team need to also.